Did you know we have mystery boxes? Tons of value, thousands of pieces for hours of creative play. It's like a creative jackpot in a box. You might wonder what comes inside a Plus mystery box. So we brought you out here to the Plus warehouse today to pack a mystery box with me. So if you or your kids like surprises and you just want a little more creativity in your life, grab a mystery box. You won't regret it. What is in a Plus mystery box? So we're here in the Plus warehouse, and I'm gonna pack a couple of mystery boxes so you can see the kinds of things that might be inside. Now, of course, we can't guarantee what you're gonna get, but we do know you're gonna get tons of pieces, tons of value, loads of colors, and lots of creative fun. We have several different sizes, from hundreds to thousands of pieces, and you'll get all kinds of colors you may not expect. But the cool thing is, with Plus, one shape is a world of creativity. So even if you get something that is supposed to be a 2D dinosaur, you can create a 3D robot out of it. And when you pair the magic of the mystery box with our app with hundreds and hundreds of free guides, you really unlock the creativity. The last thing we put into each mystery box is this piece of paper with a magical QR code that takes you straight to our free app, and you can find hundreds and hundreds of guides there. So you can use these if you don't want to make a gorilla. You can make a robot or a gemstone or whatever you can imagine using our free app. So that's the last thing to go in. Then we're going to pack it up. Mystery boxes are a great way to add more Plus colors to your collection, and you're guaranteed to get a great value and hours of creative play. So if you're feeling brave, grab a mystery box and see what you can create.